Creating content with AI is good because it saves you time and money, but most of these AIs cannot generate consistent characters, and that is a big problem in content creation. So in this video, I'll show you how to create a consistent character with Canva. The app is the best because it's all-in-one tool and it's affordable and easy to use. I'll drop the link in the description box. You can try the Pro version, which gives you access to all the Pro features for 30 days. Alright, so to begin, I'll click on the YouTube element here, which is the thumbnail. I'll use that one. Alright, and on your left, scroll down and click on Magic Media. Now we need to prompt create AI image, graphics, or videos. I'll show you how to create an image. This is my prompt. Ctrl C to copy. Then I'll go to ChatGPT to help me create a consistent character prompt. All right. So I'll drop it here and I will enter. All right. So this is the result of my prompt because I need to create 3 prompts just for the sake of time. I'll copy my prompt, copy and go back here. Actually, I'll close this window because I don't need it, just so it wouldn't be confusing. Because with Canva, once you open an element or a template, it's gonna open in a new window. All right, so that's why I close the main window. So I'll drop my prompt here, and as you can tell, I have a seed, and the seed is a consistent number in order for the character not to change. All right, so at the end of the day, the only thing you have to change is the action that the character will be doing. As you can tell right here, action says holding a cup of coffee with both hands while sitting, but in the next prompt your character will change. You have up to 500 credits that you can use to generate images. Video is 50 and we have 48 credits left. All right, and you're gonna renew 30th of this month. So I'll go back. Let's check the graphics. The graphics has 500, similar to the images. All right, because the video, it takes a lot to generate a video. That's why the video is 48. All right, so I'll go back, which means you can create or generate 50 videos. And I believe you can generate 5 seconds video. Click on generate images and we'll see the outcome. I'll drop everything here and later I'll choose whichever I want. And by the way, there's one thing I would like to show you. Hold on. See the star right here? I'll click on it. I should have clicked on that. And I'll scroll right down. Alright, so I'll click on playful and I'll try and generate again. So I'll generate again. This is the playful character. And let me see if I can find something realistic. So go here and click again, or cinematic if only they have that. Retro wave, you don't have that. Alright. So now you saw, now I'm gonna generate in photo, just a real photo, and I'll click one more time. I'm sure because the second one, I don't like it. So as you can tell, this is real photo. So I will delete this one because I just want to show you how to go about these things. All right, so I'll keep them here. I want to put everything down here. So looking at it, I like the first one, so I'll delete this and delete this. And then I'll click up here, menu, generate more like this. So click on it and it's gonna give me similar to this. So as you can tell, the character look the same like the next. I'll open new page and then I'll go back, copy the second prompt, and I'll scroll down, clear this one and paste and generate again, and we'll see. I'll add to the page, adding everything. As you can tell, it looks familiar to the first one. I will select the character, like the pictures that I want. Let's generate the third one by opening the third page, and I'll go back, scroll down and copy this, go back and scroll down, clear, Ctrl V to paste and generate. And anytime you generate, 1 credit deducted. So I'll push it down here. I'll add to the page by just clicking and click and add to the page. Next is select your preference. So I'll select this and then delete this as well. So I'll move it up here and just like this. Let me select this one too. I'll keep this one, delete this, and I'll go up here and just drag it the template size is not the same as the image, so we'll work on that later. Go to the third page and I'll delete this because I want something different, and so you just have to be creative. So I'll go back and I'll click on video and I'll look for Facebook template. Where is it? All right, so this is Facebook, and then I'll go back here. Sorry. So I'll go to one, click on it, Control C, move back, and V. All right, so as you can tell, this is good. And I'll go back again, take the second one, copy, go back and click on add page and then paste. And always use these buttons. Don't use this bar. It's gonna affect your picture quality. And I'll go to the third one, click on it, copy, go back, add another page, Control C, then zoom. All right. So to preview, I'll show you. This is how it's gonna look like, and you see the character consistency. So I'll play it and you just watch carefully. See the facial expression and the look. See, it's 100% similar. All right. So at this point, if you wanna add transit, just hover middle and click on add transit. Dissolve. I like dissolve, so I'll keep it like that, and I'll hover and click on it again and add dissolve. Also, you can add music. So let's see if I can find an audio. I think you can record your voice and also generate AI voice. But let's see if I can find the music. You know what? I'll not use music from Canva. I'll try and find something that I've uploaded already. Okay, okay, go upload audio. Let's try this. Alright, so I'll add this one, click on the menu, so I'll drag it and drop it here and push it all the way to the beginning. And let's see if I can reduce the volume by clicking up here and reduce the volume. I don't want something loud. Alright, and let's preview it. So nice, it's just like a slide. Alright, now but if you wanna turn it into a real video, I'm gonna show you in my next video. Alright, so what I can do next, just give you the title. I'll say lady at coffee shop, just so next time you know what you're dealing with. Then to download, you click on share, download, then you just click and download. But like I said, this is just to show you how to generate consistent character. But in my next video, I'll show you how to generate a video using image or text. Alright, so if you like this video, please don't forget to comment and subscribe to this channel.